Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting power and permissions ready. Charge the case and buds until the LED indicates full, and open the case with buds inside. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and install the Sony Headphones Connect app for advanced controls. Make sure the buds are clean and seated in your ears so touch sensors register taps. Next, press and hold the case button to enter pairing. Watch your phone's Bluetooth list and select LinkBuds to pair. This establishes the connection and readies the controls. Once paired, open the Sony app to configure sound and controls. You'll see EQ presets and adaptive sound settings. Adjust these so audio matches your environment. Make sure to install any firmware updates because they fix performance issues and add features. You can map single, double, and long press gestures for play/pause, skip, voice assistant, or volume. Test each gesture to learn responsiveness. To change listening behavior, toggle ambient sound, speak to chat, or noise reduction in the app, or with a sign tap. To finish setup and use daily, confirm fit and comfort by testing playback and voice calls. Adjust ear tips or orientation for a secure seal to improve bass and mic pickup. If one bud disconnects or audio stutters, reset by placing both in the case. Hold the case button until LED blinks, then repair. Make sure Bluetooth interference is minimal. Finally, regularly update firmware, wipe sensors and charging contacts with a dry cloth, and store the buds in the case to maintain battery health and reliable performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.